The nest is probably about a quarter in from
Where am I looking?
that pad over there.
It's under the nest is underneath the pad.
I would get that spray ready,
Jim.
dude, if you're gonna kill.
Yeah, hit all the corners.
Ah!
There he is, the murderer.
Sponsored by Spectracide, Carpenter Bee and Ground Nesting Yellow Jacket Killer.
So Jim, at Rostron Premium Home Services, what do we do?
we go above and beyond for the customer, whether that's spraying 1,000 bees or just, you know, putting together just a nice, clean, beautiful premium install. So premium's in our name for a reason, literally.